There's been a lack of communication between my parents and I when I came out to them as gay. I felt like I didn't belong. In life, there's a lot of expectations set from peers, teachers. It weighs down on you to the point where you can't be yourself. People tell you be yourself as long as yourself fits their standards. My name is Sean, and I work at Sephora Pinecrest in Ohio. I'm a licensed beauty advisor, meaning I get to share connection, share beauty, share what it means to feel beautiful. That makes me wake up every morning knowing I'm doing something good with my day. At Sephora, I express myself how I wish. I'm bi-gender, so that's where the inspiration for my makeup came from today. Some of the challenges I faced in the past have to do with being told what you are isn't allowed. I don't think that I fit in high school. I wanted to perform as a drag queen on stage at my talent show. And unfortunately, my principal told me, no, you're not allowed. I was being told what I was. I didn't know what to do. Ultimately, what helped me overcome my challenges was letting myself be me, pushing limits. And once I broke that ice, that initial ice and fear of, I can't do that, I realized, wait, yes, I can. I ended up performing. I wore my button-up, I wore my vest, I wore my slacks, and I also wore my 6-inch pumps. And I revealed my vest to show off my rainbow suspenders at the high note saying, I am what I am. It's amazing how far my family has come in supporting me. They didn't always understand, and they won't always understand, but they make me feel like I belong by welcoming me as me. I want the world to know that you're the forefront of what you want to be. You set your own bar, you set your own space. And filling that space with your own confidence leaves room for you to grow in ways unimaginable.